Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's lesson I'm going to be talking about using thirds or fifths or even other notes in the left hand to accompany chords in the right hand. So I'll lead by example. So I'll start in the key of C major. This is a C major chord, and I'm going to play what people commonly play to playing a C major chord is C's in the bass. All I mean is a common thing, a really nice thing to do is to play one of the other notes in the bass. I'm playing octaves in my left hand. And I said in the beginning you can have other notes, you definitely can. You can. But a good place to start would be replacing the C, or just not using it every time, with an E or a G. There's one really useful little trick when deciding, for example, when to use the middle note or the third of the triad. Is when you know that the following chord is going to be upper semitone up to the F in this case. So, or technically speaking, if you're on a scale, from the first chord to the fourth chord. And if you want to give more technical, it's called a subdominant, the tonic to the subdominant. C major, C, E, G, to F major, F, A, C. I've inverted it here. In other words, I've played it in a different order. F, A, C, F, A, I put the C down here. What sounds really nice, it always works when going from the first chord to the fourth chord in the scale, is to play the middle note of the first chord to the root note of the fourth chord. There's the F, A, C. Sounds beautiful, it's got a sense of longing. As opposed to just going from a C, which is nice too, but it's really, really nice. You can do the same thing, slightly less effective I think, but it still works, is to play the fifth of a C major chord, C, E, G, there's the fifth. And again, if we go into the fourth chord in C major, which is the F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this time we're going to play the third of F major, which is A. That sounds really technical. There's another way of thinking about this, is just to take either the third or the fifth and just move up one. Can't quite do it, I haven't got enough space, but so you can mix and match as well. So you could have the third of the C major chord, the middle one, played in the bass. We're going to go to an F major chord, but let's try the A this time. It's a device used in gospel music a lot. It sounds really lovely, all sort of church music. It does make a big difference. So I recommend experimenting with that. So whenever you play any triad, let's say a G major triad, in the left hand, try using, other than just the G, try using one of the other notes. It sounds great, and it just adds a bit of colour to the chords, I think. Well, I hope that was useful and you're able to use it in your own playing. Good luck with that. I will be posting some more videos on lots of other things like this, which you can add to your repertoire in your playing devices that you can use and just incorporate into your playing. So please do give me a like and subscribe to the channel and come back for more. I'd be really grateful. Thanks. Bye for now.